for the fish's mouth. Nice job! Nice job! Good work! 5 more seconds. One ticket, please. Thank you. Welcome to the carnival. We have fun games and snacks. Let's see how lucky you are. Yeah, this is your prize. You have 4 more chances. Wow, lucky you. Popcorn. Your coins are running low. Lucky fish pond. Insert coins to play. Move the fish. Aim for the fish's mouth. Nice job! Nice job! Good work! 5 more seconds to play. Wow, you caught it! Nice job! Great job! Nice job! Good work! 5 more seconds to play. Fantastic! Nice job! Wow, you caught another fish! Nice job! Fantastic! Awesome! 10 more seconds to play. Time is running out. Hurry! Nice job! You've earned so many coins! Is this? A popcorn costs 20 coins. I love popcorn. Blueberry. Smells so yummy. Which box to use? I like this one. I want it. I want it. I want. Dig in. So yummy. You need 200. You have 3 more chances. Yeah, this is your prize. 2 chances left. Oh, what a pity. Last chance. Yeah, this is your prize. Fish pond. Insert coins to play. Move the fish rod to fish. Aim for the fish's mouth. Nice job! Nice job! Good work! 5 more seconds to play. Wow, you caught another fish! Nice job! Nice job! Good work! 5 more seconds to play. Great job! Nice job! Fantastic! Nice job! Time is running. Great! Awesome! 10 more seconds to play. Nice job! Time is running out. Hurry! Nice job! Awesome! 10 more seconds. coins.
Where do I begin? Where do I begin?